Friends, Tata Motors has recently split its business into two parts, that is, a demerger. Now the big question is, what does this actually mean? Will this move benefit investors or hurt them? In today's video, we'll explain Tata Motors demerger in simple language, covering both the benefits and the risks. What exactly happened in the demerger? Tata Motors has now been divided into two separate companies. TML Commercial Vehicles Limited, which will include trucks, buses, and other commercial vehicles. Tata Motors Passenger Vehicles Limited, which will include cars, electric vehicles EVs, and Jaguar Land Rover JLR. After this demerger, if you currently own one share of Tata Motors, you will receive one additional share, 1:1 ratio, of the new commercial vehicle business. What are the benefits? Let's now talk about the advantages of this demerger. Focused growth. Both companies can now focus on their own core business. The commercial vehicle market and the passenger car market are completely different. So each company can now plan strategies independently. Easier capital allocation. Earlier, all the money was pooled together. Now, each company can invest according to its own business needs, which can lead to better returns. Value unlock for shareholders. When a large company is split, sometimes hidden value gets unlocked. That means the market can now value each business separately, based on its true worth. Better transparency. Each company's performance will be clear. You'll know which business is doing better and which isn't. That helps investors make smarter decisions. Even JLR growth opportunities. The passenger vehicle company will benefit from the growing EV segment and luxury brand JLR, both of which have strong growth potential. What are the risks? Now let's look at the risk factors of this demerger. Short-term volatility. Share prices may fluctuate sharply as the market adjusts to the new structure. Valuation risk. Both companies will have separate valuations. If one company underperforms, it could affect your overall returns. Operational challenges. Both companies will now have to run their own systems, supply chains, and teams, which might cause initial challenges. Market sentiment. If investors favor one business more, the other company's shares might come under pressure. Short-term confusion. In the early days after a demerger, share prices often dip. But that's usually just market adjustment, not an actual loss. What does this mean for investors? If you are a Tata Motors shareholder, you don't need to do anything. You'll automatically receive shares of the new company in exchange for your existing ones. That means you'll now own stakes in two companies, one in passenger vehicles and one in commercial vehicles. Expert view or closing. Experts believe this demerger is positive for Tata Motors in the long term, as it will allow the EV, luxury, and truck segments to showcase their growth individually. But remember, short-term volatility is possible. So avoid making quick buy or sell decisions. Always study the company's fundamentals first. So friends, what do you think? Is Tata Motors demerger a smart move or not? Tell us your opinion in the comments. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such updates on finance and the stock market.